Hello students of Standard 4. Welcome you all to DAE World Public School e-learning class. I am your English teacher Renuka Seshwar. So let us begin our today's online session of English. Dear students, today we are going to learn a lesson that is The Rich Lady and the Artist. This is revision. This chapter is taken from your English reader. So let's start. Dear students, already you have familiar with this lesson because already you have learned this. Now this is your revision time. The name of the lesson is The Rich Lady and the Artist. Once a rich old lady asked a well-known artist to paint her portrait. Well-known it means very famous and portrait it means a painted picture of a person. So once a lady asked a well-known artist to paint her portrait. The artist worked hard on the portrait for many days. When the portrait was ready, he invited the lady to his studio. The old lady came to the studio. She had her pet dog with her. She was very fond of the dog. Very fond, it means she liked very much. She believed that it was the cleverest little animal in the whole world. Believed, it means trust. The lady showed her portrait to the dog. Look, Tommy darling, she said, here is your mistress. But the dog showed no interest in it. When the lady showed her portrait to its dog, it showed no interest in it. After that, the wealthy lady turned to the artist and said, wealthy it means very rich. I don't want this portrait. It does not look like me at all. Even my clever animal cannot recognize me in the portrait. Recognize it means to identify. The artist was a man of worldly wisdom. Worldly wisdom it means very clever and very intelligent. He knew about the strange ways of wealthy people. So he didn't argue. The artist simply said, Madam, please come again tomorrow. I will make the portrait look so real that your Tommy will wag its tail and lick it. Wag it means to make the tail move. Okay, when the animals move their tail from left to right or up to down. Okay, that is called wag. The next day, the lady visited the studio again. This time, the dog wagged its tail and ran to the portrait. It licked with great interest. The lady said, How wonderful! How beautiful! My Tommy likes the portrait, and so do I. Please wrap it up. Wrapped it means when we are packing anything. The artist asked for a big price and she paid it willingly because she was a very rich lady and she bothered about the prices. The artist had a hearty laugh when she left. He had rubbed the portrait with a juicy piece of meat. Its smell had made the dog lick the portrait, nothing else. Dear students, this is the lesson The Rich Lady and the Artist. And what we learn from this lesson, the moral of the story is we should think wisely, and on basis of this lesson let us solve some exercises. Let us see, this is question number A2. On the basis of your reading of the story, complete the following. Two examples have been done here and rest of the two questions you will do individually. Let us see. These are incomplete statement. You have to be completed on basis of the story. Let us see the first one. The rich lady asked the artist to paint her portrait. This is the correct answer. Number 2. The lady refused to take the portrait as. Why lady refused to take that portrait? Yes, the correct answer is the lady refused to take the portrait as her dog showed no interest in it. In this way, you will solve rest of these two questions here. Let us solve some more question here. This is question number A3. Answer the following questions. Now let us see how we will write the answer in a correct way. See, first one. Why did the artist laugh after the lady had left the studio? Okay, on basis of this lesson, we have to solve this exercise and the question answers. The correct answer is the artist laughed because he made her fool without changing anything in the portrait. He gave her same one. Number two, the lady admires a dog for its cleverness. Do you think the dog was really clever? No, the dog was not really clever because it didn't recognize her. Actually, its smell of juicy piece of meat had made the dog lick the portrait. But the lady think that he is the cleverest animal of this world, but actually it was not. See the fourth one. How was the artist rewarded for his cleverness? Yes, the artist was rewarded a big prize for his cleverness. Okay, in this way, the only one question is left. You will answer this question and all the exercises and questions you will write in your notebook only. One more question is here. Have you seen this golden pot? Yes. I hope you have understood. Let us read. Question number A7. The following words have been taken from the story. Their opposites are given in the pot. Find them out and write in the appropriate spaces. The first one has done for you. See the first one. Which word is this? Laugh. Okay, so what is the opposite of laugh? That is cry. In this way, you have to find out the opposite word which is given in this golden pot. For example, see the second one, old. Old's opposite word is given here, young. Beautiful. Beautiful's opposite word is given here, ugly. In this way, rest of these two words, you will find out their opposite words here. Now it is assignment time. Let us see what is in your homework today. So here is your homework. Question number A8. Complete the table with words from the story to make meaningful phrases. One has been done for you as an example. See, this is a table whereas three columns has been given here. The first column is describing words. In second column that is given naming words, and the last column phrases. Okay. So whatever you will write in column 1 and column B 2 describing words and naming words, that words comes together and make a meaningful phrase here. See the first one, old lady. It becomes an old lady. See the second one, well-known artist. So it will combine and comes together and make a phrase like a well-known artist. In this way, the rest of these two words, two columns, three columns, you have to be solved here. The next question is question number A9. Get into pairs with the help of the given hints. Complete the crossword puzzle by filling in appropriate words. See the hints. With the help of the hints, you have to complete this crossword puzzle. See the first one. First clue is workroom of a painter. Okay, where is the first point? Yes, the word should be start from yes. Workroom of a painter, that is called studio. S-T-U-D-I-O, studio. The second one is person who practices any one of the fine arts, especially painting. It means that word should be start from A letter. Okay, so what is the correct word? That is artist. A-R-T-I-S-T, artist. In this way, take help from the clues and complete this crossword puzzle here. We will see you in our next session with new topic and new lesson. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.